The GAN 15, one if not the most hyped cube of the year, is finally released, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about it. Keep in mind that this is not a review, it's more as an overlook to what other people are saying and giving my opinion on what I think about it. Coming from the boxing experience, it looks very premium, in a very GAN-like kind of box. It has this light purple with red and black, which go together so well. When unboxing the cube, it comes with the traditional GAN bag, which is fresher than French red.
Et je vais être complètement transparent.
Inside the box, you'll find the adjustment system, followed with the center cap thing. According to other sources, they say that the cube feels very tactile, which I kind of like in my GAN cube because I don't want an unstable cube that I feel is gonna pop in my hand all the time. And I really like this too because it's very different from its predecessor. It's more like the 12, and I really like the 13 or 14. It also comes with some centerpiece pieces, which we have never really seen in GAN cubes. But a small disadvantage about the GAN 15 is that it has a lot of plastic inside the cube, so this means that it might lock up more easily. The cube is very fun to set up, which is pretty cool because its predecessors didn't really have that. It was kind of difficult to set up, and it had a lot of adjustments. An example for this is the corner adjustment system. Now, it's not in the corners like it used to be, but inside of it, and you have to place the magnet strength if you want, which I think is better because it used to be a headache to set them up. You had to get the adjustment tools to set it up, but now you just place it in. And I think the outcome of that is that the cube is cheaper because now it costs $69 and even cheaper in other retail stores. And this also solved the problem that the cube used to have. Because of the corner adjustment system, sometimes when you move the cube, things will switch around and mess up your whole corner adjustment system settings. Something actually kind of surprising is that the weight of this cube is 59 and its predecessor, the GAN 14, is 68 grams. That's such a big difference. And because of this cube being so light, it's great for practicing and training before a solve or a competition. And this cube is so good, according to Timothy Lashinsky, that he might consider changing from the GAN 12, which a lot of people like, to the GAN 15.
Currently, I'm using the GAN 12 as my main, but I'm considering switching to the 15.
And because it has a lot of adjustments coming from the centerpieces, it's basically a 2-in-1 kind of cube.